In this video, I'm going to show you how I solved my no video output problem on my computer. I had just built the computer. It was working fine with just the motherboard. As soon as I put the graphics card in, there was no video out for the computer on the motherboard or the graphics card. So I'm going to do a restart here, hit delete a bunch of times with the graphics card out. So I had to go back, remove the graphics card, reboot everything, and then I'm going to open up the BIOS for the motherboard. So this motherboard is an MSI board, so you have to hit delete. Some of them you have to hit F2, whatever your motherboard requires to get into the BIOS. So you can see a whole bunch of options here: CPU, memory, storage, fan info, help. I don't want any of that though. It's more of the setting for how the graphics is set up. So I'm going to go to the advanced tab here, and most motherboards have a similar tab that says easy mode or advanced mode or words to that effect. And then I'm going to go into motherboard systems and settings. And this is where the problem is, in sort of the factory setting for the motherboard and how it was. So I'm going to go to advanced, and then I'm going to go down to integrated graphics configuration. So you can see I got it set up now under initiate graphic adapter as IGD. So your options are PEG, which is PCIe Express Graphics, and IGD, which is your integrated graphics device. My factory setting was on the PEG setting, so it was trying to boot to the PCIe lane when the graphics card was in there. But because of the way that the AMD setup was going, I could only download the drivers. I couldn't actually do the full install without the graphics card there. So it wasn't booting anything. I'm assuming it was trying to boot to the PCIe lane, but because the drivers hadn't completed the full install without the graphics card, it wouldn't finalize the boot, so it was just showing no video output for motherboard and video card. Anyway, once I changed it to IGD, close it out, hit yes to all the changes, shut down the computer, reinstalled the graphics card, and then booted it up. Everything worked perfectly, and I was able to finish installing the drivers. Anyway, hopefully this helps somebody. Thanks for checking out the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.